Good morning, it's Jilly here, and I'm going to I guess it's called a ribbon pour, because I'm just pouring my colours in like a ribbon effect. So I'll just tell you the colours as we go through. Obviously that was a white one, and I'm doing it on a 20 by 25 little gallery wrapped canvas. These are really nice to give as gifts. That colour there is my custom colour, which was silver, a metallic silver, and I added some dark sea to it, which is a global colour. Beautiful shimmering effect because of the metallics in it. So I do like using, even if it's only one metallic in there, because it makes the rest of the painting have a shimmery effect. So the second one I'm using is actually gold with a bit of the dark sea mixed in it. Again, it's another custom colour. So it is nice now and again, or quite often for me, to make up some custom colours. And I'm just ribboning them, as I call it, on this particular little canvas. And this one is just a violet, which is quite nice in there. So it's just merrily going along and enjoying the process and ribboning your colours. So that final colour was cool blue, and what I'm doing here is just a very gentle tilt. So you're tilting the colour, all your lovely colours, just over the edge of your canvas and covering the edge. I think it's been a while since I kind of done this ribbon pour and tilt effect, but always lovely results when you do it, and it's quite an easy one when you're just a beginner. So what I want to do with the next step with this is now use some of my Amsterdam paint that's mixed with Floetrol only at the top of the piece. There you go, I'm giving it a shake, just pre-make it up in these little bottles. So I just squeeze that along the top, and I'm hoping that it will give me some of the lovely kind of lacy cell effects. So let's just grab my soft plastic file divider and give it a gentle swipe. Boy, oh boy, look at those cells pop up in that. Also on the one side, for I'm not sure why, but through the camera you can hardly see the cells do actually go right to the very bottom. So I will bring you down to have a closer look. They're really stunning, and it kind of reminds me of, like, I don't know why these colours, mermaid, why I think of mermaid, or probably should be more peacock, shouldn't it? But they're really pretty colours together, and it really does sort of shimmer, sort of, I know that if this one has a coat of resin, it really will pop. So what I'm doing here is just using my heat embossing gun to burst any air bubbles. Definitely like mermaid colours, I would say. Absolutely stunning colours together. Got some funny wormies and caterpillars and faces. There's a little owl there, look at that owl. It could be a little paw print. There's somebody giving you the bird. How gorgeous is that? Colours, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this would absolutely be fine left exactly as it is. But of course I want to try something on the bottom corner. For me, being a YouTube creator, I have to keep trying new things and pushing the boundaries, even if they don't work out well every time, because this is how we find new things or new techniques, or how something will evolve. You have to try them. And like I said, they don't always work, and sometimes, or most times, luckily, they do. So we give this a go. I'm just loading those same colours, and then I will actually just blow that corner out with my little mini dryer. So let's see how we go with this one. So kind of just adding a bit of a chaos blow in that very bottom there, and then I'll go around my edge, the thick edge of this canvas. But I just wanted to add a little bit of movement there at the bottom. Probably in hindsight now, looking back on it, I probably should have done it from the other end, because I actually liked the effect at the bottom of there. But it was just something pushed in there that I think it actually gelled quite nicely with the rest of the painting. And this will absolutely be wonderful, as I like to do, is give these small canvases as a gift to your family and friends. Instead of a Christmas card or a gift card or a birthday card, you just pop a little canvas in. I think it's a really nice gesture. Okie doke, my lovelies, I will show you the end results and hope that you liked this one. End results upon the wall of this. This is a picture wall app, and it's a great app. There's a link for it down below, so you can actually see what your results are going to look like up on a wall. And great if you get prints of your work, so you can get prints in any size, considering if you take a high definition photo. All right, another one for today. Bye for now.